Here we are in the cockpit of the Birchwood 29. This seat can be removed to provide a further bunk. The owner's just installed these seats. Full recliners with armrest. Doors leading to the saloon. This is the cockpit pilot seat. Probably come better on the 360 degree. Those steps just to get up to it, to give full visibility. Very handsome wheel. Full controls. All new switch gear. And the owner tells me there was a new auto bilge pump fitted there. Switch gear. And if we take the cover off, we can see the GPS map, Garmin 410. Looking back the way. Got the side cover off on the aft section. I'm told that can be removed quite easily. And we're actually stood above the engine, of which there is a video.